Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging spending tracking with Rocket Money. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open the Rocket Money app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the spending section on the main screen. Click on Add a new category. Type in EV charging as the category name. Save the new category to your spending list. Next, go to the Transactions tab located at the bottom of the screen. Click on the plus icon to add a new transaction. Enter the amount you spent on EV charging. Select EV charging as the category for this transaction. Add any relevant notes or details about the charging session. Confirm the transaction by clicking Save. Repeat this process for each EV charging expense. To view your spending over time, go back to the dashboard. Select the Reports option to see your spending patterns. You can filter by category to specifically view your EV charging expenses. Review the insights to understand your charging costs better. Consider setting a monthly spending goal for EV charging. Adjust your budget based on the reports you generate. That's it. You successfully transferred and tracked your EV charging expenses with Rocket Money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.